Need a simple and cute protective style? Well, stay tuned to see how I achieve these passion twists. Hello and welcome back to Royally Slayed. I am your girl, Demetria Moore, a licensed cosmetologist, a wife, and a mom. Let me start off by saying, even though I am a cosmetologist, I do not consider myself a quote-unquote braider. I do a fair job, enough for the hair to look presentable. So, today's client is my sister. She knows I don't braid, so she tried to finesse me into giving her passion twist. As you saw in the beginning of the video, I started by parting the hair from ear to ear to section off the front of her hair. After that, I divide the back section into two using the top of her ears as a guide. Excuse the camera angles, you can see that it's trying to focus. This is my first time recording myself doing someone else's hair for YouTube. But anyway, after I section off the back of her hair, I section off the bottom section into two rows. I put a little Let's Jam on the back of my hand to help clean up the parts. I absolutely hated how this felt on my hand, so I will be investing in one of those little wristband thingies that all the real braiders use to hold their edge gel. Now that I have the first row sectioned off, I'm going in and pre-sectioning for the twist. I use small silver clips to hold the sections into place. You'll see that a little later in this clip. I'm adding a little more Let's Jam to the roots of her hair. Then I'm combing it through to help smooth it. Next, I wrap a rubber band around her hair to create a little ponytail. You'll see me adjusting the rubber band to make sure it's secure but not too tight. This is the hair we're using. I believe it's pronounced Mady. It's the 18-inch Lusty Water Wave in the color T30. Right here, I'm taking two pieces of that water wave hair and I'm lightly stretching them to kind of break up that cast that can sometimes be on the curls and make it seem more natural. Then I'm taking a crochet hook and I'm sliding it underneath the rubber band, and I make sure that the hair is even on both sides. Now I'm splitting her natural hair into two pieces and applying some jam on both sides. So now it's time to start twisting. It's hard to see, but I am trying to wrap the water wave hair around her hair to tuck it. I continue to twist. Once I get to the end of her hair, I'll add more jam and twist all the way to the end. Here is another view from the front. In this clip, I'm checking to see which way I need to twist. If the curls aren't lined up correctly, then the twist won't be uniform. So make sure you're paying attention to that if you're attempting this style. I also want to point out that I switched from Let's Jam to the Instant Control Edge Gel for a better hold. The jam was not giving what needed to be gave, so I had to switch her out. Overall, this is an easy style. It took me about 5 hours to complete. I definitely want to try installing them on myself, so please let me know if you're interested in seeing that process. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to put a few pictures of how everything turned out, a video of how braids turned out at the end, and until next time, bye.